I'm just coming out to my door now and we'll be done for a day or two. Today's about 30 degrees, so it's going to be drying quite quickly. I'll come back, today's Wednesday, I'll come back on Friday and waterproof it. So we'll just drag it back. The owner's here doing his stuff on the computer, and as I'm talking into my camera he thinks I'm talking to him, but it's all cool. Right, wipe away the mud off the bubble and you'll see that it's beautiful and level. What?
Can I get the,
I've done a bit of a tidy up, sweep up. I've washed up my gear. That's it. I'll be back in a couple of days' time to waterproof it, and then after the weekend I'll be laying the floor. See you later. You'll learn heaps on this channel, I tell you. See ya.